Okay, tonight we're going for hunting for some pictures. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me, kind of show you the New England, some cool spots in New England. I have the windows down a little bit for some exhaust, but it's fucking cold now. Oh, Jesus. That's why we don't lower the car. I made a post about it when it happened, but I just do want to formally say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Even right now, we're at 110. In that post, I said that was the new goal. So again, just thank you so much. Like, the fact that we have 100 people supporting a V6 Mustang is crazy. And not to mention, it was only done in maybe, I started this in July, so maybe a couple months, 5 months-ish. Which that's just incredible to me. So thank you all so much. I really do appreciate it. We do have to make these goals a little bit tougher. You know, I think at this point, just see how many we can get by the end of the year. I'm hoping for 135 by the end of the year, to be honest. I think that's my next goal. So hopefully we can hit that. I got a lot of other cool content coming. Things that I'm really excited for, and things that I think you guys and gals and people in general are gonna look forward to. So I'm excited to share that with y'all. All right, I'll suffer a little bit for the tunnel. I'm curious, how many of you guys put your Mustangs away for the winter, or do you guys daily drive it year round? I'm sure it, you know, depends on the climate that you guys live in, but I'm just curious to see how many people actually like daily drive these things year round. That's for my audience. So leave a comment down below, I'm curious. Only in Boston would there be traffic at 9:45 p.m. Holy shit. I don't know if you can see that, but it is just so far. Luckily for you guys, the power of editing will skip through all of this. All right, we're back in business. All right, stop one. We're at, kind of get the Tobin Bridge in the background. We also got my buddy's G35 right there as well. So we're gonna get some pics of him and then me, and then we'll go on to the next spot. Okay, stop one is done. I'll throw a couple little pictures in here. Most of it's gonna be on my Instagram or TikTok. So if you don't follow me, what are you doing? Go follow me. Links are in the description. We're on to stop number 2 now. Let's go. Okay, stop 2 got busted. Roll clip here. Oh, okay. at this point, we're just gonna go out of the city and determine what we're gonna do next. Okay, I kind of know where we're at. Oh, Jesus, this stupid fucking merge. Come on, you can do it. Good times. Okay, third and final spot, just in a little downtown Main Street kind of vibe here. I'm gonna give you the whole picture. A lot of New England downtowns look the same, to be honest. You have the Main Street and all that, all the shops down here. Some nice lighting. So let's get some videos, get some pictures, and I think we'll call it a night. Never would have expected to see a semi on the back roads at midnight. But we're back at HQ. It was a good night. Got a lot of photos, got a lot of videos. So again, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram or TikTok, link for both of those is in the description. Until next time, deuces.